How to fix a water-damaged phone. If your phone has been water damaged, it's crucial to act quickly to prevent further damage and increase the chances of a successful repair. Here are the steps to follow to fix a water-damaged phone. 1. Remove the phone from water. If your phone has fallen into water, immediately remove it from the water to prevent further damage. Do not press any buttons or turn it on, as this can cause short circuits. 2. Power off the phone. Power off the phone as soon as possible to prevent electrical shorts and further damage. If the phone is still on, hold down the power button until it shuts down. 3. Remove external accessories. Remove any external accessories such as cases, covers, and memory cards from the phone. 4. Dry the exterior. Use a clean, dry cloth to gently wipe the exterior of the phone to remove any visible water or moisture. 5. Remove the battery, if possible. If your phone has a removable battery, carefully remove it to prevent damage. If the battery is not removable, skip this step. 6. Remove SIM card and memory card. Remove the SIM card and memory card from the phone to prevent water damage to these components. 7. Dry the phone. Place the phone in a dry, well-ventilated area to allow it to dry naturally. Avoid using heat sources such as hairdryers or ovens, as excessive heat can damage the phone. 8. Use silica gel packets, optional. Place the phone in a sealed container or bag filled with silica gel packets or uncooked rice to help absorb moisture. Leave it in the container for at least 24 to 48 hours. 9. Avoid turning on the phone. Do not attempt to turn on the phone until you are certain that it is completely dry. Turning on the phone while it is still wet can cause further damage and may render it irreparable. 10. Test the phone. After the phone has dried thoroughly, reinsert the battery, if removable, and SIM card, and then attempt to power it on. If the phone does not turn on or shows signs of malfunction, you may need to seek professional repair services. 11. Consider professional repair. If your phone does not function properly after drying it thoroughly, consider taking it to a professional repair technician. They may be able to diagnose and repair any internal damage caused by water exposure. It's important to note that water damage may void the manufacturer's warranty, so be sure to check the warranty terms before attempting any repairs. Additionally, if you are uncomfortable or unsure about fixing the phone yourself, it's best to seek professional assistance to avoid further damage.